Oh, Pepe coin is rolling. The price action in Pepe is nothing short of incredible. It continues to hit higher highs, brand new all-time highs, despite everybody showing a little bit of fear because this is a meme coin. Despite everybody showing their skepticism, Pepe continues to roll. This is so much more than just a single coin moving higher in price. This could be an indicator that a meme coin rally and a new era of meme coins may be beginning to take place here, and we haven't seen a major dip yet. We're going to be discussing the price action on Pepe, whether it can continue moving higher, and of course we're going to be comparing it to the greatest meme of all time, Shiba Inu coin. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want to make it your asset and mitigate the risk of holding on a centralized exchange, you need to be looking at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, absolutely incredible price action on Pepe. Every morning, I think I'm going to wake up and the rug's going to be pulled out from under us, but the exact opposite happens. Pepe continues to roll higher in price. Now, Pepe coin, if you guys haven't seen it, it's that frog-looking coin, right? The cartoon that turned meme, and it's taking the crypto space by storm right now. Just over the last few days/weeks, it has turned dollars into millions of dollars, the same way that Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin did in 2021. Now, we know that Dogecoin was a little bit of an inspiration to all of the Shiba Inu coin holders, so you gotta give credit where credit is due, but we may be noticing a shift from the dogs to the frogs. Now let's discuss what's going on here, because Pepe, and by the time you guys are watching it, who the heck knows? This price action is so darn crazy right now. Pepe coin might be sitting way higher than these numbers, but nonetheless, the low on the day is around 3,100 points per coin, or, you know, what is this, like 6 zeros and a 6 here? But nonetheless, 3,100 up to 8,100 points per coin. Back down a little bit at the time I'm recording this video to around 6,900 points per coin, but nonetheless a 97.14% gain just from today to the current price. This price action is on a massive rally, and it's taking the total market cap. Get this, guys. You remember just a couple of days ago when Pepe was trading in a market cap of $100 million and people said, no way it goes any higher, you've already missed the rally. Because it went from 30,000 to 100 million in a couple day period. $299,773,904 market cap. It is tripled just in the last couple of days. And guys, we could be testing $1 billion market cap. If Pepe rolls from a 30,000 to $1 billion market cap in as short of a period of time as it is making it look possible, this could be, and trust me when I tell you, I am a strong Shiba Inu coin member. I've been a part of the Shiba army for years now. This could be a more massive rally than Shiba Inu coin. And if people begin to jump on board and FOMO in the same way that they did in Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin, remember, tested $40 to $60 billion valuations. So if you think that it is too late at $299 million market caps, the answer is you're wrong, but please, I'm never want to be one of those guys that just says buy Pepe coin now because it's running. Because of course you could get burned. It is just as easy for Pepe to go down as it is, unfortunately, for it to go up. So please know and understand that coins that are moving like this are a major risk. But so is Shiba Inu coin. So is Dogecoin. And they're maintaining multi-billion-dollar valuations right now, and Pepe seems to be rising at an even faster pace than those coins did. So looking at this $299 million market cap coin, you might be thinking the rally's over. Trading volume over the last 24 hours is up 360% to $200 million. $200,315,618 traded in Pepe over the last 24 hours. Now let's put that in perspective real quick, because Shiba Inu coin, one of the most well-known meme coins in the world, right? Everybody's trading Shiba Inu coin. $69 million traded over the last 24 hours. Pepe is destroying it in terms of trading volume, roughly 4 to 5x. And as more and more people jump on board, and as more and more people realize that Pepe is making price and making history here and making millionaires along the way, we may see another rally. Now look, if you're expecting to 1000x your money in Pepe, that is going to be extremely difficult, if not impossible, from these points. But here is what this absolutely could lead to. Yes, a new meme revolution. Why? People are tired of the price action in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin right now. The price action has been heavily dependent on the overall cryptocurrency market, and it hasn't had those meme-inspired rallies that people are used to. Well, Pepe absolutely could be having that meme-inspired rally and could be inspiring new investors to FOMO into the market. Now, the good news is this could transfer to other coins as well. So if you are interested, or if you are looking at Pepe, please know that it could cause a drive higher in other coins as well, and could be inspiring the next rally in meme coins. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you plan on getting into Pepe? Do you plan on the rally and jumping into this rally and taking advantage of the price action? Because these numbers are nothing short of incredible, and they absolutely could continue. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.